Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Tesla cars are manufactured, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Scan complete on the aluminum coils.
Confirmed. The battery minerals are clear for storage.
Every aluminum panel is precisely monitored. The hydraulic press adjusts pressure in real time, ensuring millimeter-perfect accuracy on every stroke. Every vehicle undergoes a full inspection before leaving the Gigafactory.
And that's how Tesla cars are manufactured. From start to finish.